Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to remove blank columns from Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to the point, to delete blank columns in the Excel document, select any empty cell in the table and press the F5 key on the keyboard. In the window that appears, select the special button. Next, in the next window, we choose the principle by which to highlight the cells. We need empty ones, then we select blanks. Click OK. Now right-click on any empty highlighted cell and select Delete, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-. In the window that opens, select the option Shift Cells Left and agree, click OK. And the blank columns are deleted. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.